Alright, so today we're going to be making a spacer, and what a spacer is, it'll sit between an evaporator coil and either oil or gas furnace, so that way the heat from the heat exchanger won't melt the plastic drain pan. So we're going to go ahead and make it 21 by 21, 4 inches tall. So the layout is going to be 1 inch, because we're going to have a 1 inch fold in, 4 inches for our height, 21 for our width, 4 inches for our height again, and then another 1 inch. So we'll go ahead and mark it 5 plus 21 plus 5. We'll go ahead and square those off. Go ahead and cut the extra off. Alright, so since it's going to be 21 by 21, we're going to have 21 going this way, plus 1 inch for a female Pittsburgh, 1 inch for a female Pittsburgh. So we'll run this through the slit at 23 inches. Now we'll go ahead and mark 1 inch all the way around. And we'll go ahead and V-notch. So at the corners, this 1 inch to 1 inch connection at a 45-degree angle. Right here at the 4 inch mark, 1 inch deep. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and run this side and this side through the Pittsburgh machine. So now we'll go ahead and put the 1 inch into the brake, fold it straight up, the 4 inch, fold it straight up. So far, we have 21 by 21 by 4. So now we need to go ahead and make the sides. So we're going to make it 21 plus a 1/4 inch on each side for a male Pittsburgh. So it'll be 21.5 plus 4, 1 inch for our flange. So 5 plus a 1/4 inch for our male Pittsburgh. So it'll be 5 1/4 by 21.5. Make 2 of them. The layout, we're going to do 1 inch right here, and quarter, quarter, quarter. So at the quarter inch connections, you're just going to cut straight across. Straight across. And here at the 1 inch, quarter inch, up at a 45-degree angle. 45. So we're going to bring it into the break. Bend the 1 inch straight up. Bring it to the edger. And we'll have to fold this down to be able to make our bend, but we can straighten it back out later with tongs. Take the tongs, fix the quarter inch that we had to bend out. Now we'll beat it together. So open up the corners, make our lines a little bit easier. Now we're going to finish it up with an air hammer. We'll go ahead and measure it. So we have 21 by 21 by 4 inches. So it has a 1 inch flange on this side. So this side will go down on top of the furnace. This side is flat, so the coil will sit on top of it. And obviously we'll have to cut a hole in the middle for it to be open for the air to travel into the coil. So this is a spacer. All right, so today we're gonna be making a spacer, and what a spacer is, it'll restart it. Gosh.
No, that'll just be a blooper.
Come on, man. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
All right, so today we're gonna be making a spacer, and what a spacer is, it's just.
I'm heading out. They just put a call on me.
All right.
Just letting you know.
Okay. Bye. Love you.
Love you.
All right, take 3. All right, you ready? Cut my glove. Skylar, if you're watching this, I didn't just meet you.